Almonds are amazing. They are small but mighty. These nuts are packed with nutrients. Almonds are a delicious and healthy snack. Almonds come from almond trees. They grow in warm places. California is famous for its almonds. People all over the world enjoy almonds. They have a satisfying crunch. You can eat them raw or roasted. Almonds are versatile and delicious. They are a gift from nature. Almonds are full of good things for your body. These little nuts pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. They have protein to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. They have fiber for healthy digestion, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Almonds are a good source of healthy fats, which are crucial for brain health and maintaining cell membranes. These fats are good for your heart, helping to reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Almonds also have vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which are vital for overall health. Vitamin E is an antioxidant found in almonds. This powerful nutrient helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. It protects your cells from damage, which can help prevent chronic diseases and support a healthy immune system. Magnesium in almonds is good for your muscles, aiding in muscle function and recovery after exercise. Almonds are naturally low in sugar, making them a great snack option for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. They are a healthy choice for people with diabetes, as they help control blood sugar spikes and provide sustained energy. Choose almonds for a nutritious snack. They are versatile, delicious, and can be enjoyed in many ways, whether on their own, in salads, or as part of a balanced meal. Almonds are good for your heart. They can help lower bad cholesterol. This keeps your arteries clear. Studies show that almonds can lower blood pressure. This is important for heart health. Almonds can reduce the risk of heart disease. Almonds have monounsaturated fats. These fats are heart healthy. They help lower inflammation in the body. Eating almonds regularly is beneficial. Make almonds a part of your daily diet. Your heart will thank you. Section 4. Brain boosting power almonds for sharper minds. Almonds are good for your brain too. These small but mighty nuts are packed with essential nutrients that can significantly benefit your cognitive health. They contain nutrients that support brain function, such as riboflavin and L-carnitine, which are known to boost neurological activity and prevent cognitive decline. These nutrients improve memory and focus, making it easier to retain information and stay concentrated on tasks. Almonds have vitamin E and flavonoids. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress, while flavonoids enhance brain function by improving blood flow to the brain. These act as antioxidants in the brain, neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation, which is crucial for maintaining brain health. They protect brain cells from damage, ensuring that your brain remains healthy and functions optimally as you age. Studies show that almonds can improve cognitive function. Regular consumption of almonds has been linked to better performance in memory tests and cognitive tasks. They can enhance learning and memory, making them an excellent addition to the diet of anyone looking to boost their mental capabilities. Eat almonds for a sharper mind. Incorporating almonds into your daily diet can help you stay mentally sharp and focused. Almonds are a great snack for students. They are convenient, nutritious, and can help improve academic performance by enhancing concentration and memory. They provide sustained energy for studying, helping students stay alert and focused during long study sessions. Boost your brain power with almonds. Whether you're studying for exams, working on a project, or simply looking to maintain your cognitive health, almonds are a smart choice. Section 5. Weight management wonders almonds for a healthy weight. Almonds can help you manage your weight effectively and deliciously. They are high in protein and fiber, which are essential nutrients for maintaining a healthy diet. These nutrients keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. By incorporating almonds into your diet, you can reduce your overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. They help curb cravings and prevent overeating, which is crucial for weight management. Almonds are a healthy snack option that you can enjoy anytime, whether at work, home, or on the go. Studies show that regular almond consumption can aid in weight loss and improve overall health. They can also help reduce belly fat, which is often a stubborn area for many people. Including almonds in your diet can be a simple yet effective strategy for weight management. However, it's important to remember to enjoy almonds in moderation to avoid consuming too many calories. While they are healthy, almonds are calorie dense, so portion control is key. A perfect serving size is a handful of almonds, which is about 23 almonds. This amount provides a good balance of nutrients without overloading on calories. You can add almonds to salads, yogurt, or even enjoy them on their own as a crunchy snack. Incorporating almonds into a balanced diet can help you achieve your weight management goals while still enjoying delicious food. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of almonds and enjoy the benefits they offer for your weight and overall health. Section 6. Embrace the almond advantage. Join the altruist. Almonds are a nutritional powerhouse. They offer numerous health benefits. Include almonds in your daily diet today. For more informative content on healthy living, subscribe to The Altruist. We provide evidence-based advice for a healthier you. Join our community of health enthusiasts. Learn how to live your best life. Subscribe to The Altruist and embrace a healthier tomorrow. We share delicious and healthy recipes. Discover new ways to incorporate almonds into your meals. Don't miss out.